Deaths occurring before the age of 70 years are considered premature in the majority of these regions. The age-standardized death rate ASR for ages under 70 years was in steady decline from 2000 until the start of the COVID-19 pandemic in 2019, both globally and at regional level.
Can accept the limitation consequential damages. However, given the current climate, the force majeure clause